Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm very happy to have you here and I hope that you're going to enjoy this tutorial. I'm going to talk about where have I been, why there was no any content and what's going to come in the future, stuff like that at the end of the video. But now let's go straight into the tutorial because that's why you are here. So that was the tutorial. I hope that you found it very useful and that you can use it on your own projects in the future. And about the lack of content, nowadays I mostly feel very exhausted, and for example in this video I made the progress part when I'm working on the actual ears like in 1 hour only, but the editing took me so long, and in the very best audio and with the very best intro what I could record after many tries, I still sounded so tired and exhausted, and I think it would make you feel that I'm just bored with this entire thing, which is not the truth, because I'm enjoying to make these cosplay stuffs. Just I have so low energy nowadays and it's very hard, but I definitely try to change it. And I have a ton of ideas coming towards you guys, just please be a little more patient. Especially I would like to make the 100 subscriber special video, because I'm very thankful to all of you who pressed the subscribe button and who just liked the video or left a nice comment, because it's a huge thing to me. I got used to that no one really cares except family and friends, but anyone else just skipping or never seen my my things, and it's just unbelievable still that I have more than 100 subscribers. So really thank to all of you. And this special video is going to be Lisa's spellbook from Genshin Impact with the glowing effect, and I'm going to have finally a new cosplay music video after the Lisa and after the Merida video, thanks to my best friend who recommended me the character, because I had a music for a very long time in my head that I want to use it for an art project, and it's the perfect match. So I'm very excited. The costume part is not super complicated, so hopefully I can make it very quickly. But the editing took me always so long, so but it's going to be exciting. I'm already very excited about it, so I'm gathering all my energy from this project. Like when I'm thinking about it, it makes me always so excited, I think you can see. And all the other projects, what I promised earlier, I haven't forgot about them. They are still coming, just sometimes I have to deal with this lack of energy, and the other is that this cosplay music video is so exciting that I really want to work on that. But I'm going to make everything, just please be a little more patient. And because this is like about the 25th time when I try to record myself to talk to the camera, and it's just getting worse. Now I just turn off the camera and finish finally the editing, because it's just not going to be any better. And see you in the next one. Bye!